Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. It's an After Dark Clean with me. If you're new, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Price's Pearl Life. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. So it's 6:20 in the afternoon and I'm thinking about going to sleep, but not until I get this kitchen back in some type of order. If you're new here, let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And I love sharing my love of home decor, cleaning, cooking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. So again, you know what to do. Come on and join my growing priceless family. I think you'll love it here. Now, not too much chit chat. So let's enjoy the video to music, and we'll talk at the end.
Holy Spirit, rain down. I need you right now. Please don't make me hold my breath. I need you right now. God, please don't make me hold my breath. Oh, I've got these parts of me and I've lost control. Running frantically with nowhere to go. Felt the pain, felt the shame, believing the lies that the enemy gave. But I'm praying truth will come and live here to stay. Yeah. Holy Spirit, rain down. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. Rain down, rain down. Holy Spirit, rain down. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. Oh, yeah. Rain down, rain down. Holy Spirit, rain down. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. 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 Fight and hurt each other. We try to make it better. Can't seem to get it right. Won't let go of a pride. I can't see the pain like you do. No empathy remains, no openness for change. Reaching for the light to get us through. God, we want more. you. Come, Holy Spirit, move. It's the love that we long for, bring us together, make the broken things new. God, we want more of you, of you. We're longing for your heart. Yeah. You're kind and you're so patient. You never hide. For us, you're always you're waiting. Always believe the best. Yeah, you're a loving friend. You're always loving us through. Oh, you would never fail. Be there, you always will. Shine us with your light to get us through. God, we want more of you. Come, Holy Spirit, move. It's the love that we long for, bring us together, make the broken things new. God, we want more of you, of you. We're longing for your heart, yeah. We're longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart. God, we want more of you. Come, Holy Spirit, and move, and move. It's the love that we long for to bring us together.
I really accomplished a lot in the last 3 hours, and I hope that you were cleaning along with me. Make sure on your way out to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And if you are a returning subscriber, then check out my latest video right here. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.